Hello there. Today, we're diving into the world of stock options. Don't worry, it's not just for folks in fancy suits. Stock options are simply tools that can help you manage your money, just like any gadget in your shed. You might get them as a perk at work. Or maybe you're curious about growing your savings. Think of learning about stock options as adding a new tool to your kit, handy to have, even if you don't use it every day. More choices mean more control, whether it's for your tea or your investments. We'll break it all down, step by step, using simple examples, maybe even a bit of cheese. By the end, you'll know what stock options are, how they work, and why you might want to use them. It's not about becoming a Wall Street whiz, just understanding a new part of the money world. So grab a cuppa, and let's get started. No rush, no fuss. We'll keep it simple and clear, like a freshly polished window. Before you know it, you'll be able to explain stock options to your friends. It's not magic, and it's not as tricky as the wrong trousers. Just a new idea to wrap your head around. Ready for a grand day out for your brain? Let's begin. So, what is a stock option? Imagine you're at a bakery and pay a small fee for a ticket to buy a loaf of bread tomorrow at today's price. That ticket is like a stock option, a contract that gives you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell shares at a set price for a certain time. The set price is called the strike price and the deadline is the expiration date. You pay a premium for this contract, just like your bakery ticket. If the bread price drops, you let your ticket expire and only lose the small fee. Stock options work the same way, but with company shares instead of bread. One option contract usually covers 100 shares. The value of your option changes as the stock price moves. You're not buying the stock itself, just the right to make a decision later. It's a way to control more stock with less money. Options give you flexibility and leverage in the market. That's the heart of what a stock option is. Options come in two main types: call options and put options. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock at a set price, perfect if you think the price will go up. Imagine a company's stock is $10, and you think it'll rise to $15. You buy a call option to lock in the $10 price. If you're right, you buy low and sell high for a profit. A put option is the opposite. It gives you the right to sell a stock at a set price. If you think a company's stock will fall, you buy a put option to protect yourself. If the price drops, you can still sell at the higher locked-in price. Calls are for betting on price increases. Puts are for betting on price drops. Remember, calls miles buy, puts miles sell. It's all about which way you think the stock will move. Simple as that, just two tools for two directions. That's the basics of calls and puts. Let's use cheese to make it crystal clear. Wensleydale Cheese PLC's stock is $50 per share. You hear a big rumor that could send the price soaring. You don't have $5,000 to buy 100 shares, but you can buy a call option for $2 per share, costing $200 total. If the stock jumps to $60, your option lets you buy at $50 and sell at $60. You make $1,000 profit, minus your $200 cost, an $800 gain. If the rumor fizzles and the stock drops, you simply let your option expire. Your loss is limited to the $200 you paid. That's the beauty of options. Limited risk, big potential reward. You control more stock for less money. If things go well, you profit. If not, your loss is capped. It's a smart way to take a chance without risking the farm. That's how a call option works in real life. Why use options at all? Two main reasons: making money and managing risk. First, speculation. Trying to profit from big moves in stock prices. With options, a small investment can control a large amount of stock, so profits can be much bigger if you're right. This is called leverage. Second, hedging, protecting what you already own. If you have 100 shares of Wensleydale and worry about a price drop, you can buy a put option. If the stock falls, your put option gains value, offsetting your loss. It's like insurance for your investments. Many investors use options to protect their portfolios, not just to gamble. Options can be aggressive or cautious depending on your goal. They're versatile tools for both risk-takers and careful planners. Whether you want to chase big gains or guard against losses, options can help. But remember, they're not for everyone. Use them wisely and know your reasons. Now, let's talk about the risks. The biggest risk for option buyers: you can lose your entire investment, the premium you paid. If your prediction is wrong or the stock doesn't move in time, your option expires worthless. Options have expiration dates, so time is always against you. This time decay means your option loses value as the deadline approaches. You need to be right about both direction and timing. Options are more complex than just buying shares. There are many strategies and it's easy to get in over your head. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Think of options as high-risk, high-reward experiments, not for your life savings. For most people, buying and holding good stocks is safer. Use options carefully, and only after you truly understand the risks. Let's recap the essentials. A stock option is a contract giving you the choice to buy or sell a stock at a set price before a deadline. You pay a premium for this right. There are two types: calls, to buy, and puts, to sell. Use calls if you expect prices to rise, puts if you expect them to fall. People use options to speculate for big gains or to hedge and protect their investments. Options offer leverage and flexibility, but also come with real risks. You can lose your entire premium and time is always ticking. They're not for everyone. Think of them as specialist tools. Now you know the basics and can make smarter choices. Knowledge is power, especially with your money. Right then, who's for more tea?
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.